right there, hold it. Okay, tilting back. Next truck is approaching Bay 2.
Is this really a car part? Not yet, it's just a metal brick. Next, we look even closer.
It's a special Tesla alloy for Giga casting. Next, preparing to melt.
What parts are these? Doors, hoods, and fenders.
Why drill holes now? To ensure the wheels align perfectly later. The front casting joints.
How do you connect aluminum to steel? With structural aerospace glue. Next, the glue robots.
Hinge clear, 42 Newton meters.
Copy that. Moving to next station. Clear.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side gap. Looks good here. Torque sequence engaged. Why ostrich feathers? They hold static electricity perfectly to grab dust.
Why bake it so hot? To make the rust protection permanent for 20 years. Next, sealing the cracks.
Why take them off? So workers can dive inside without scratching the paint. Next, the nervous system. Why take them off? So workers can dive inside without scratching the paint. Next, the nervous system.
Ready? Lift it up. Aligning the trim now. Okay, snapping the clips in place.
Does the glass hold the car together? Yes, it provides structural rigidity.
Why is the gap so small? To reduce wind noise at highway speeds. The dashboard.
Is that the only screen?
Yes, one screen controls everything.
What are these foils for? They hold the lithium ions that power the car. The tabless design.
Is it charged yet? Not yet. It needs to be formed first. Waking them up.
What holds it all together? A structural foam that turns into rock. Next, the glue injection.
Is it heavy? Yes, but it carries the seats, so it saves weight elsewhere. Is it heavy? Yes, but it carries the seats, so it saves weight elsewhere.
Lowering now, watch the guides.
Got it. Looks aligned. Go ahead.
Torque sequence initiated.
Torque sequence initiated.
Check the connections on the orange cables, make sure they're seated.
Does a human tighten the nuts? No. A machine does all 5 at once for safety.
Does an EV need fluids? Yes, for brakes, washing, and cooling. Next, the fluids.
Ramping up to 70.
Check inverter temps.
Looking good here.
What if the gap is wide? It goes to rectification to be adjusted. The identity.
Protective transport film is applied, covering the hood and fenders. This prevents rock chips during truck transport.
Does it start with a button? No, you just sit down and drive.
How far can it go? Over 300 miles, but let's top up. Next, supercharging.
In the front, where the engine used to be.
Do you need to go to a gas station? Never again. You wake up with a full tank every day.